That's a good spot, Mom.
All we have to do is wait until they go down. Just hope it's as good today as it was yesterday.
I do too. Is this kind of early though? Didn't Daddy said they were biting closer to lunchtime?
Yeah. Let's see, it's 10 after 9 and I caught my big one early when we first got here the other day.
Well, good.
So you just never know. But they might start biting better after a while.
Well, we'll see. We'll see. So beautiful out here. The farmland on the other side of the lake, and
We love it out here.
Yeah.
We love it. We just sit here and wait for the fishy.
Yeah. Well, otherwise you'd just be sitting at home. So this is beautiful, perfect for you. I'm so happy.
I got binoculars in the glove compartment.
I see a dragonfly, and if you see a dragonfly, they're good luck.
Yeah.
So there you go, Mom. You're going to have good luck.
I hope one will get on her pole.
Wouldn't that be fun?
Yeah.